What's your name?
What's your name?
Is it Mary or Sue?
Is it Mary
What's
or Sue?
your name?
Is it Jim or John?
Do I stand a chance with you?
Yeah.
It's so hard for me to... The personality.
You couldn't even sing through your nose.
For
and
me.
Your nose too big for that.
Ooh.
You need to quit singing through your nose.
Ooh wee.
Ooh wee.
I stood on this corner. Waiting for you to come along. So my heart would feel satisfied. So please let me be your number one. Under the moon, under the stars, and under the sun. What's your name? Is it Mary?
Is it Jim?
Or Sue?
Or John?
What's your name?
What's your name?
Do I stand a chance with you?
Chance with you.
And that's how you karaoke.
Oh no it ain't. Oh no it ain't. No it's not.
What it do, gang? It's your boy Blackie Stone, and I am back with another video, guys. Hey, it's been a minute. I know it's been a minute, but I'm back. I'm here to check on you, see how you're doing, see how you're living, see how everything is going with you, and to tell you something about myself, guys. Hey, I've been going through it. This Cleveland weather has got me a little down, guys. Hey, cold weather, snow, it just don't mix with me. It's like it's putting a damper on my progress, it seems like, because I haven't been dropping videos like that. But that's either here or there, guys. I'm back to see how you guys are doing. Are you accomplishing those New Year resolutions that you set for yourself? As you know, guys, we got dreams that we chasing. We got dreams that we're chasing. We ain't trying to impress nobody. We trying to accomplish our dreams. So I encourage you, if you have gotten sidetracked from your New Year's resolutions, get back on track, guys. It's never too late. Don't stop. Don't quit. We are chasing our dreams, not living to impress anybody. That's enough said about that, guys. Hey, do what you gotta do. If you haven't already subscribe to the channel, like the video. Really helps me get this video and any other video that I drop out into the world, guys. Hey, we are on a mission today. We are on a mission today, guys. Hey, I'm gonna let you know about it right after this dope intro. Break! As I was saying, guys, hey, we are at one of our favorite places. What does that say there, guys? The shoot point blank range and CCW. Yep, that's what we on today. We are on that range talk. Range talk, yeah, we on that range talk, and we about to go in and shoot down range. Let's go. All right, guys, hey, that was a lot of fun. I'm back in the car, as you can see. That was a whole lot of fun, and I needed that. Sometimes, guys, you just need to take a break in life and do some of the things that you really enjoy instead of getting up and going to work, getting up and going to work, getting up and going to work. You know what I'm saying? Did you hear what I said? Getting up and going to work. Because the repetitiveness in that is just insane. It's like the What's the theory? This is doing the same thing over and over again, expecting different results. Nah, you gotta throw a monkey wrench, so to speak, in the equation from day to day, guys. You gotta do some things fun, something active. Like I was saying, guys, we're on a race to achieve some of our goals. Not trying to impress the next person, but to accomplish those goals. Why? Because it helps out with mental health. Once we make that check mark, it really helps out on our mental health. I can't say this enough. But sometimes, even with our mental health, we need a break. We need to go back to being a child again. Get on a bicycle. I ain't saying go get on a big wheel or nothing like that, but get on a bicycle, ride around the block. Go in the backyard if you got a trampoline. Jump up and down with the kids on the trampoline. Go-kart racing. You know, go around the track. Zoom. Go around the track. Do something to break the cycle. Again, this helps out with mental health. I can't encourage you even more so on a day-to-day basis, guys. Get in that rut. Just get out of it. Get out and do some things that you want to do, like we did today. Got out here, went on a little quick ride, and was able to go boom down range. You know, that whole cycle helped out my mental health, believe it or not. With that being said, guys, hey, we on to the next move. We'll be right back. Hey guys. We got a lituation going on today. Lituation. Hey, we got a special guest on the channel. You guys met her a couple of times.
I don't
have a couple beers, have a drink.
I'm not scared of the camera. I don't get tongue-tied.
What did she say?
I'm not scared of the camera. I don't get tongue-tied. I'm not shy of anything. It's your boy, Blackie Song, and he back with another video. And it's his girl, Lisa Black, with a black and a berry, the sweet of the juice. They call me Luscious Ale. It is what it is. You know, I'm good at this. I never get tongue-tied.
She says she don't get tongue-tied with nothing. She said, I was built for this. I was made for this. Hey, I bring to the channel no other, no less than the greatest talker that you will ever come across. The greatest talker that you ever come across. I give you Luscious Ale. What's going on, Luscious Ale? Now, I gave her plenty of time to think of something with that real nice intro. Hey, I was bringing her up to a plateau, and all she did was let herself down. I'm gonna give you another opportunity, Luscious Ale. How was your day?
It was fine.
It was fine?
Yeah.
You have anything special to say to the channel?
No. Can we go now?
Gang. Peace, love, and respect